Jai Sriman Narayana. 27th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Naite Shruti Pardha Janan Yogi Mukhyati Kaschana तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन। ओम daily remembering about the path of light, which is also known as Archiradi, helps you to remember even at the time of last breath. This is the path you should be traveling in to attain a state of non-return. This is the path in which all the Devatas will be escorting you to reach the state of non-return. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall remember the path of light, Archiradi, every day in which I have to be traveling after my life to attain the state of non-return." This remembering every day helps me to remember even at the time of last breath. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 75th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna held Putana's breast and started sucking the poison, milk and Putana's pranam also. Putana started crying loudly, screaming and asking, "Please leave me, leave me." Putana started getting so much of sweat, and while screaming, she fell down. And with her big screamings, the entire earth and the space started getting resounded, and people started getting scared, thinking that there may be a thunderbolt, and so many people even got fainted. Putana fell down, lost her life, and then she became original demon. She lost that beautiful form, and she opened her mouth big. Her hands and legs were wide, and her hair was scattered. She fell down like that. When that body fell down, Trigavyuti Antara Druman Churnayamasa Mahatasit Tadadbhutam. That body was spreaded all along 12 miles long. And under that body there are so many trees got crushed. And all the Gopikas, Gopalas came and saw that form, huge body of Putana, and started getting scared. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 27th sloka. Naite Shruti Partha Janan Yogi Mukhyati Kaschana Tasmat Sarveshu Kaleshu Yoga Yukto Bhavarjuna. Naite Shruti Partha Janan Yogi Mukhyati Kaschana Tasmat Sarveshu Kaleshu Yoga Yukto Bhavarjuna. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.